Well, we're very thankful for Storm Team 8, all the work you guys did, keeping us informed and safe. It was a crazy last 24 hours or so, Jason. The good news is, and I think we could see by that map behind you, things are at least clearing up for now.
They are, yeah. I mean, we are in a much better position than we were right now compared to 12 hours ago, when much of the state was travel not advised or impassable roads or closed roads. Now we still have a little pocket of 100% covered roads northeast of Fort Dodge, otherwise partially covered roadways through much of north central portions of the state. So things are getting better. The system has cleared out entirely and we're hardly left with any cloud cover behind it. Winds will continue to die down as we head into tomorrow morning, and much of the day tomorrow will be spent with much lighter winds. They'll pick back up though as we head into Friday, and that's going to be associated with that next chance that we'll have for some snow. So let's track that out for you here. You can see winds continue to taper back. We'll bring in a little bit of cloud cover as we head in through tomorrow late morning, early afternoon. Here comes that next system. Could start off as some light rain for some folks off to the west and to the southwest before that transitions over to snow. And you can see a nice healthy band of snow working its way in Thursday late and into Friday, and we'll continue to see that pushing through as we head in towards Friday afternoon. So winds eventually turn back out of the north. That'll keep us a little bit cooler for a day, but things are going to warm up in a hurry. We'll take a look at that in a second, but look at the snow that's fallen. Some areas could see as much as 6 inches of snow, and these are areas that just saw 6 inches of snow and drifts up to 10 feet. So we're going to be adding to that, thankfully. Not going to be dealing with as much drifting as the winds just won't be as strong, but could see an inch or two in the metro. And again, as you get a little bit further to the north, those amounts go up a little bit. Wind chills in the morning though tomorrow. Going to be a little wind chilly out there. Single digits for Mason City as well as Algona and Carroll. Rest of us in the low teens. So bundle up as you head on out. But by the afternoon, it's a different day. We're at 43 for the metro, 43 for Ames, southern portions of the state in the middle 40s. You can see that cool down on Friday, back down to 37. But Saturday's warming up. We've got 46 for southern portions of the state with sunny skies. That's the same through central Iowa as well. Crocker at 43 tomorrow, Altoona the same, Newton at 45, and areas to the north mainly sitting in the 30s. But again, you'll have sunshine with temperatures warming back into the 40s by Saturday. Back down to 20 degrees tonight, though. That temperature, again, 5 below average. We check out that 8-day forecast, and we'll bring in that chance for a little bit of light rain, transitioning to snow on Friday. And again, could pick up a few inches in spots, some spots as much as 6 inches. But whatever we get, believe me when I say it's not going to last with what we've got on the way. We head into the weekend, sunny skies. You lose an hour of sleep and you gain spring. I think that's a fair trade, right? We're back into the middle 60s by Monday. We hang out there through the end of the week. No sizable chances for precipitation. Even your morning lows will be in the 40s. So what we don't lose this weekend for snow, we'll lose next week.